Hi everybody, it's Kathy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I've been doing my makeup lately using a minimal amount of products. I guess I'll call it my go-to no makeup look. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, click the subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and also click the bell beside it so you are notified when I upload new videos. So today I'm going to be using my IT CC cream. And the one that I like is the Illumination, and this is in the shade medium, and this is the super size that I got on the shopping channel a few months ago. And a little trick that I recently found, I normally put this on with a brush, but one day I wanted to try a beauty blender. So I dampened my beauty blender, and what I found was this actually applied quite nicely with my fingers after I had wet them a bit, just running them under water. So I'm going to try and replicate that today. I have my damp beauty blender, so I'm just sort of squeezing some moisture onto my hand, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to put about 1.5 pumps. I'll start with that and see if that's enough. So I was actually quite pleased how easily it went on with my hands, because I had tried this before, but I guess it was with the other CC cream, and I find that it's a bit more thicker than this one, and that's why I prefer this one. And I also find that the original CC cream tends to look a little orangey on me, whereas I find that this one is pretty accurate. You want to rub it in good in the jawline because you don't want that line. And bring it down the neck a bit. I'll just go over this cheek again. I like this one because it just gives me a nice healthy glow. And that's actually pretty good. Now I'm not going to be using concealer or anything because this is just like a no makeup look. And my redness is pretty good on my cheeks. It's just that one little red spot on my chin. But I'm not too concerned about it because this is just my, you know, sticking around home type of look. And then I'm going to powder because I find that my skin is a little more on the oilier side now that the weather's changing. And this is the Your Skin But Better Perfecting Powder. And I will list everything below. So I'm just going to put the powder all over. Just because I do tend to get a little oily everywhere, but especially on the cheeks and forehead and nose. And I find that this powder really does help. And it doesn't change the look of my makeup because this is in medium as well. So that's pretty good. It took a little bit of the shine away, but it's fine. Next up, I'm going to do my brows with my brow gel. And I can do this look in probably 5 minutes or less when I'm not talking. I love this brow gel. See the difference it makes just with the one eye done? Like this side of the face looks totally different than this one. Brows really are an important feature on our face. And that's why most days, even if I don't put CC cream on, I still do my brows and my lip gloss. And I just find that it makes me look okay. This one is a little thicker than the other one, but and then next I'm taking my Je ne sais quoi palette. And the highlighter in the palette, I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger, and I'm putting that all over my eye. Now I haven't put any primer on my eyelid, I'm just putting some of this. And I try and bring it right up to the eyebrow. So this little Je ne sais quoi palette comes in very handy, and I've been reaching for it quite a bit now that the weather has changed. And I suspect that I will reach for it and the Becca palette, mostly in the summer, because I don't tend to wear a lot of makeup in the summer. And that just, I don't know, it just sort of like gives the eyes a little pop. And then I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my finger into the blush a bit and just gently go over the mobile lid. And it just gives it a nice flush of pink. I feel like that one has more color than this one. And then I'm just going to take my blush brush and just tap it into the blush because it's very pigmented. And just put a little, tiny little bit to give me some color. Next I'll do my mascara, my Tightline. And I only ever do the top lashes because I don't like how it looks on my bottom lashes. And that's why I usually smoke it out with eyeshadow on the bottom, but I'm not bothering with that with this particular look. Because I really don't want to look like I'm wearing makeup, I just want to look, I guess, polished. And the last product I'm using is something that I got in a showstopper. It's not yet available in Canada to purchase on the IT website, and it's their new lip treatment. I really like the product. It gives my lips a nice natural pink color, and it really feels good on the lips. It really moisturizes it. I think it is available in the States, and what you do is you just turn the thing on the bottom once, and it puts out enough product to do your lips. It gives a nice flush of pink. I'm gonna go fix my hair, get dressed, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, I'm dressed, fixed my hair, and this is my finished look. I used, 5 products in total, and I think that it looks like a really nice, natural, glowing look. Like, I really don't think that I look like I'm wearing makeup, maybe just my mascara and lip gloss, but this is how you find me most days. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my natural, glowing, everyday makeup, no makeup look. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and be sure to click the notification bell beside it. Share my videos and my channels, please, with your friends, but most importantly, have a wonderful day. Thanks for spending this time with me today. Bye.